All right, so what we got going on? We got some shrimp, some chicken. What we making? What are we making today?
Making some gumbo.
Gumbo. So here's the
Some shrimp stock.
shrimp stock. Okay, so we got what we got in the shrimp stock.
We got onions, carrots. We forgot about the celery. And shrimp.
Okay.
Gonna boil it down and make some good shrimp.
So you boil it. How long do you boil this?
Oh, like 15, 20 minutes.
15, 20 minutes.
Maybe let it sit like another 10 minutes. Just depends on how flavorful you like it.
Okay, so we'll boil this down, and we'll come back in about 15 minutes later, and see what the next step is. All right, what is going on? So we got chicken, sausage, and shrimp gumbo. So there's the shrimp, there's the sausage, there's the onions, the bell peppers, and the garlic that's got to go in it. We're still making the shrimp stock. It's got about a few more minutes left from the shrimp stock. It'll be done. But now we're boiling some chicken. So it takes about, 15, 20 minutes to boil some chicken. So we'll finish this portion up of the gumbo. And we'll come back and see what we have next to do. So we got boiling the chicken. Once the chicken gets done, we got to cut that up. And we'll find out what's going up next. Talk to you later. Shrimp stock is done. Now we have to strain it. And we're straining the shrimp stock. What happened?
You just got that on me.
Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Oh. All right, we're straining the shrimp stock. Be back.
All right, so we got all the fixings for the gumbo. We got the shrimp, the sausage, the veggies, the shrimp stock, and the chicken.
All right.
First step, we're gonna brown the sausage. Put that in there. Oh, yeah, hear that sizzle? Yeah.
I hear it. Got a brown sausage. How long does it usually take? A few minutes?
Yeah, a few minutes. And then after we brown the sausage, we're gonna have to make a roux.
Like a roux, okay. So, all right, so once the sausage gets browned, we'll come back and make a roux. We've got to make a roux. So, we'll be back in a few minutes after the sausage gets browned. Have a good one. All right, sausage is all cooked, browned. I got to take that out. Now we got to make a roux.
I gotta make a roux.
Gonna make a roux. Gotta make a roux. Doing a roux right now?
Yeah, look at that sausage fat on my...
Ooh, see, the sausage fat is gonna help with the roux.
Oh yeah, get flavor to it.
All right, so put that over there and getting ready to make a roux. Mmm, yummy.
Add
With
some
some oil.
oil.
Come on inside over here.
Since we're making a big gumbo today, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Just a tiny bit since we have some of that sausage fat in there.
Yes.
Now we need some flour.
Some flour, okay. Flour's in there. Right side,
Sugar.
right side.
This flour.
That's flour.
Yeah, it's flour.
I know what this. Got some flour. Gotta have flour. How much flour are you putting in here?
I'd like to do like equal parts flour to sugar. I mean, just flour to oil.
Flour to oil, okay.
Mix that up a little bit. Add some more.
don't, only one pack at a time. You gotta save some for the dog food.
All right.
All right, that should be good.
All right.
Turn the heat back on.
All right, you turn the heat, man. And how long do you stir this till the roux is complete?
Until the roux has the color that you need. It's taking anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. It just depends on how fast you cook it.
Okay. Okay, so it all depends on what color you want your roux. So
I like a lighter roux for, like if you're doing like a sausage gravy, sure, you can use a roux like this. But I like a little bit lighter roux for my etouffees and a little bit darker roux for my gumbos.
so today's gonna be a darker roux.
Yeah, today will be a darker roux.
Okay, so it's got a roux a little longer.
Yeah, it's gonna be going for a little minute.
Okay, so we'll come back and let you know how long it took to make this roux. Be back.
That's gonna be money, dude.
Money, dude. All right, we got the veggies now. They're the onions, the bell pepper, and garlic. And about to drop it in the roux. The roux is the right color. That's the kind of color that we want.
Oh yeah.
That's the kind of color we want. All right, so we want to dump it in there?
Hold on.
Tell me when you're ready. Oh yeah, we got iced tea too. See, making iced tea. Yeah, that's easy to make. Just put water in tea bags. It's easy.
You're getting what?
I said we're making iced tea also. You know, so it's easy to make that.
You getting tea bagged?
No, I'm not getting that. Onions, bell pepper, garlic.
All right, it's just about there. Looking good.
Look at that roux. That's the roux.
That's a lot of roux. That's gonna make a lot of gumbo right there. But we got a lot of gumbo to make, so. All right, toss them in.
All right, so we can see if I can do this with one hand. All right. There, thank you.
No onion left behind.
Hey, that nope.
Oh, no, you can't throw the whole pan in there.
No, that wouldn't be good. I don't think we can eat that.
All right. Stir that up a little bit.
Mmm. That looking good.
Let the veggies cook down for just a second. All right.
Mmm. Oh, and here's the shrimp stock that we had made earlier. We gotta put the shrimp stock in this little concoction here with the roux.
Oh, that pot is hot.
Well, it is. Well, it's metal, so metal can get hot. Fool.
Look at the color of that roux in there.
Mhm.
Oh man, it's a good color.
Good color, that's right.
When I first started making gumbos
Well, you,
in my teenage years, I used to not get the roux. I was scared of getting the roux too dark. I was scared I was going to burn the roux. You just gotta trust the process. Just don't stop stirring. Just let it get dark. Let it get dark. I've only burned maybe 1 or 2 roux in my life.
well, you get better as we.
Probably because I had too much to drink and I just, oh shit, I forgot to stir it for 5 minutes. Damn it, look at all the black stuff in it now. I'm gonna start all over.
You get better as you do more.
Yeah, you learn to put off a few drinks until you get the stock in there. And you know, everybody does gumbo different. You might get some Oh, that's not how you do gumbo, but as in the words of Stale Craft Gear, you do it how you like. This has worked for me, so that's how I do it.
All right, you ready for the stock yet?
Yeah. Okay. Not ready. The smell. Got the stock smell. The
Okay.
Trinity smell.
All right.
Get that all nice and mixed up. We might need. I got some reserve stock over there just in case we need more. We'll probably need more. It's gonna be a big gumbo. That was a big roux I made, so. But I got a whole another 32 ounces of shrimp stock over there. Now, 20 sachets. Is that one open?
Yeah, I'm going.
All right. Where that? Where that?
What you looking for?
Got some bay leaves. All right, what are we looking for? What are we looking for? We got some papadones.
Seafood magic.
Seafood magic.
That's it.
Put some crab oil in there.
Okay.
Just a splash. That stuff is really strong. All you need is a splash. That's all I'm putting in there for now. I'll taste it a little later and see what I need to adjust. Oh, bay leaves. These are all broken up.
Uh-oh.
Give me some whole ones. Oh, whatever. I never had too many bay leaves. Oh.
We got the paw pardon. It's stuck together.
I like papadones because it gives good flavor, but it's not overly salty. You can use a crap load of this, and it still doesn't make your stuff too salty. And you know, the shrimp stock doesn't have any salt to begin with. It's not like using a salted broth, so you don't have to.
Yeah, Tony Satchery's has some salt in it.
Oh, you know what I forgot?
What's that?
Got to put the sausage in there. I usually put the sausage right before the stock.
Okay, there's a sausage.
Sausage.
Mm-mm-mm. Make sure you have it on the burner right.
Looking good, looking good.
Any steps left? Are we done for right now?
We're done for right now.
Okay.
I mean, we're gonna taste as we go. We're gonna continually add more seasoning. I always start off a little light, just so we can add as we go.
Yeah, you can always add some. You can't take away it.
Exactly.
All right, we'll be back.
About to add the chicken in.
The chicken, the poulet.
I like shred my chicken before, so I like boil it and shred it before I add it in. Another good tip if you want to do quick and easy, you can buy a rotisserie chicken from the store.
Ah, yeah.
Pull it all apart. It's already full of flavor and everything. Throw that in there. That makes it really easy. But let's see, we'll add the chicken. This will kind of be like a surf and turf gumbo. We got chicken, sausage, shrimp. Kind of Creole vibes going on here. So
it's gonna be good though. So make sure that all goes in there and gets the flavors.
Oh yeah, and since you've last seen us, I've added, some more Tonys, some more seafood magic. It's got the spice right now that it should. If it needs a little bit more spice after like the chicken and the shrimp soak up some more, we'll add some cayenne, maybe a little salt. because it didn't taste too much on the salty side right now. So
Yeah, it tastes good.
let's see. Yeah, it's really, really rich.
It's rich.
Good.
It's rich.
Very good.
All right, so let that sit, and
That's
it's coming. That's coming in a minute.
Fireball Collector's Edition, baby. Woo!
That's coming in a minute because we're cooking. You gotta drink a little bit. Be back. All right, here's the last part of this chicken sausage shrimp gumbo. You gotta put the shrimp in. So the shrimp don't take that long at all. You don't want to overcook the shrimp because they'll get rubbery and won't taste as good. So about what? 10 minutes?
Yeah.
On simmer? On simmer? Yeah, 10 minutes on simmer, and then the shrimp should be done. Shrimp don't take long at all. If anybody's had boiled shrimp before, you know what happens when you overdo boiled shrimp. You can never get it peeled. So don't want to overdo shrimp because it won't be as good as it usually is. Should be. So we'll see the finished product in about a few minutes. We got some rice. And this is the gumbo I'm eating here. So, oops, sorry. And this is the gumbo. All right, so here it is. Here is the finished product of this chicken, sausage, and shrimp. Oh, but make sure I get some shrimp. Make sure I get some veggies in this. There's some meat.
Where's the bowl at, Don? Right here. Okay. Oh, that's
Middle. And that's it. That's it. There's the chicken, sausage, and shrimp gumbo. Hope y'all enjoyed it.